You don't need an expensive tool to launch a successful faceless YouTube channel. With just Canva, you can create amazing videos that keep your audience coming back. In this video, I'm going to prove to you what exactly I'm talking about. Now, take a look at this chart. See how simple but professional it looks. The video on this channel was created using Canva. Now, let me play one of their viral videos to prove to you what I mean.
Most people think low intelligence shows up in grades, IQ tests, or big mistakes. But psychologists say the opposite. Your brain reveals itself in the tiny habits you ignore. And the scariest part? These habits don't just make you look less intelligent. They literally rewire your brain to become less intelligent over time.
You see how simple it is. I can tell you that this video was created using icon, graphics, and all that. And it's very simple to create. And I want to show you exactly how you can create something like this and also go viral here on YouTube. Here's the intro part of what we're going to create.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent? It sneaks around, rewires things when you're not looking, and somehow convinces you you're the problem. Here's the twist most people never pause to think about. Your mind isn't shaped by big moments. It's shaped by the micro decisions you don't even realize you're making.
Now, let's get into the most important thing, which is the monetization part of this video. If we should take a look at the description page, see that this channel was created on May 13, 2025, and now it has gotten up to 74,000 subscribers with 66 videos. Look at the views, it's on its way to 2 million. Now, let's take a look at how much this channel is actually earning right now. So I'm using Social Blade to check this out. According to Social Blade, this channel is making between 115 to 1,800. But if you ask me as someone who has experience about faceless YouTube channel monetization, I can tell you that this channel is making between 600 to 1K per month, which is not a bad deal for a brand new YouTube channel like this. Now, let me show you another channel that is creating content with Canva. And this one is going to surprise you. Take a look at this channel. It was created on June 5th, 2025. As at the time I made this video, it has about 48K subscribers with just 54 videos, and here for the views, it's heading its way to 3 million. Now, how much is this channel making? According to Social Blade, it's making between 337 to 5K monthly. But based on my experience about YouTube monetization, I can tell you that this channel is making nothing less than 3K month. And this is quite good for content that you probably need just 1 hour to create. And not just that, you don't have to invest in expensive tool. This is quite decent in it. So if you're looking for a way to create this kind of videos without spending money on expensive gears or expensive tool, this video, I'm going to break it down step by step what you need to get started. Starting from the scripting and also editing with Canva. I'm going to show you everything you need in this video. And not just that, you're going to learn a few tips that will help you grow fast. So if this sounds like what you're going to need, let's get started. Now, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to copy exactly how these people create this video using Canva. And then you can use that same idea to launch your own faceless YouTube channel. So first of all, for the scripting, we want to build on something that is already working. We don't want to go start searching for what topic to write on or ask ChatGPT for anything. Of course, we're going to use ChatGPT, but for now, we want to see what is already working and then build on that. So we want to go into one of the viral videos in this channel. All right, so we're going to come over to this channel and then we want to go to popular videos, right? And then this is a popular video, so we want to click on that. Okay, here you go down to the description part, you open it, you're going to see where we have transcript. Okay, so what we want to do is that we want to submit this script to ChatGPT, right? And ask it to rewrite something similar. It's not going to be like the original script, but ChatGPT is going to rewrite this script and make it sound original like ours. Okay, that's exactly what we want to do here. Okay, so we want to come over to transcript here where it says transcript. Go down here, it says shows transcript. So you want to click on that, it's going to open and take you to the top here. Now, what you want to do here is to select all, right? Select all and scroll down until you exhaust everything. Once that is done, you want to click on Ctrl+C to copy the script, right? Now we move on to ChatGPT. This is where we're going to submit the script for a rewrite. I've already prepared the prompt to help ChatGPT give you the best result. So check the description of this video. You will find a document containing that prompt. So copy it. Once you get it, now I'm going to copy the prompt right here. Okay. And then I will move to ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste the prompt here and then go back to YouTube to copy a transcript. I just paste it below the prompt and then submit. and then ChatGPT is going to take it up from there. Okay, now the script is done, so we just want to copy that. And then we can paste it in our Google Doc or whatever text editor you are using, right? So this is just to cross-examine the script and see that everything is in order. I'm not going to copy everything because according to the prompt, ChatGPT is going to give us like a 10-minute duration video script, all right? So I don't want that for this tutorial. I just want something short. So I'm just going to copy the introductory part of it, okay? And then move down to the second part. All right, for this second part, what we're going to do is to generate a voiceover. So the tool we are going to use for the voiceover is called Speech Synthesis Online. It's one of the tools that I found that is unlimited, right? And is completely free. So you can use it as many times as you want. So you want to open your browser and then search for speech synthesis right here, okay? So you want to open that. As you can see here, the interface look very simple. So you just want to paste your script there. You can change the parameters, right? The pitch, the speed, whatever it is that you want to change, all right? So I just want to leave it at default. Now, before we generate the voiceover, let's try some voice sample that they have here, okay? So you want to come over here and then click on this drop-down icon here, and then select a voice, and then come over to this play button here, and then click on that.
The mountaintop was Paul's escape, the city a distant memory below. Are you listening?
So you want to try the next one.
Later that day, a small group came together in the audience chamber. John sat down at the table.
You want to keep on trying the voices until you find something that fits your video. The voices are good. I have tested so many of them and they sound real good. Once you find a voice that fits the vibe you're looking for, just come over to this side and click on synthesize, all right? And then you give it a few minutes to generate your voiceover. That is done. Let's listen to this.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent? It sneaks around, rewires things when you're not looking, and somehow convinces you you're the problem. But here's the twist most people never pause to think about. Your mind isn't shaped by big moments. It's shaped by the micro decisions you don't even realize you're making.
This sounds really good, right? So let's download our voice. So come over here, you're going to find download and then download it to your system. Now let's move down to the third part, which is to actually edit this video. And then, like I said, we're going to use Canva for this. All right. So we want to copy exactly how those people create their video. Okay. Open Canva and then go to video. Right. This is going to pop up and then you go to this landscape. This is for YouTube. Right. We are now in our canvas. All right. So what you need to do first is to go to upload right here. The next thing you want to do is to drop your voice over. Once it's open, drag it to Canva. All right, your voiceover is loading right now. Great. Now we can add a blank page by clicking the plus sign here, right? If you click on that, it's going to show you other options like uploads, stop videos, stop photos, or you can add a blank page. All right. So we can go ahead to add a blank page. And then you can change the color of your page. You get that? You can change it to whatever color you want, depending on your branding. So you want to make your channel look professional. Like this, guys, as you can see here, you see how professional their videos look like, their thumbnails. You see that? It has that professional look. So you want to create something like that so that when somebody looks at the channel, it will believe that you have the solution they are looking for. So branding, it's very important. You want to take that into consideration even when you are creating your video. So you can change your background to whatever color that fits your branding. Like those guys, I see that this is the color they're using, something like lemon. They use white and also black. Now let's start adding elements to our video. Let's play the first part of the voiceover.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent?
Okay, here we are looking for brain. Okay, you can add this. I think I need to change the background to whites. Let me look for a different image. Okay, I like this guy. Okay, let me get rid of this. Okay, you can go ahead to play around the color depending on your brand. Here you see the different colors that are there. You can go ahead to make changes to the colors, right? When that is done, you want to come over here to animate your elements, okay? Now, what we're going to use is this rise. So once you decided, set it to on enter and then reduce the duration. Cool. Okay, let's get back. Let's listen again.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent?
Cool. So someone moving around or someone being confused. can search for that. Now let me show you a trick that you can use to get consistent character. Now, once you find something that you want to use to create your videos, the next thing you want to do is this. For instance, this guy here is the kind of elements we want. Let's say we are looking for this kind of element. We want to have something like this in whatever we're searching for. What you need to do is to right click on it. So once you right click on it, you're going to see view more from this creator, right? So you're going to open that link. And once it is open, you're going to find tons of elements with similar color or similar background, whatever it is. You're going to find something that is similar to whatever brought you there. As you can see here. So you can go ahead to search for whatever you're looking for. So want to add this up, add animation, go to animation, select rise, and then reduce the speed, and then set it to on enter. So I want to quickly go through the voiceover and add the necessary elements.
It's not stupid. It's not stupid. Here's stupid. Why did you?
Okay, I'm done with this. The next thing I want to do is to add caption. If you look at the video here, you see that it's just the element and the caption, all right? So we want to do the same thing here in Canva. There are two ways you can add captions to videos on Canva, right? The first one is by adding it manually, right? What you need to do is that you prepare the script. A script is there, right? So you can just copy and paste, copy and paste. So this is how to do it. Come over to where it says text, right? Click on text. You can choose any templates. I just want to use the body templates, just normal, right? You come here, you'll be able to increase the size of it, right? To whatever you want that will make it visible for your audience, right? By this side, you can change the font, and here you can change the color. For instance, we want to turn the color to black. As you can see, this is the default text. So we have to bring in our captions. We have to copy our script and then paste. This is going to take you a long time to finish. If your video is up to 10 minutes and above, it's going to take you a long time, a lot of work. So this is good for people who are creating shorts. Maybe you want to just create a short video of 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. All right. You can use the manual caption method instead of the second one I'm going to show you. We'll copy this, right? Just like this. Copy the first sentence, take it back to Canva, and then paste it just like this. All right.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent?
Cool. Now you can adjust it. Let's adjust this. I love using popping, right? If you come to this side, you will see letter spacing and line spacing. So you can use them if you want to. So I will just decrease the line. That's cool.
You ever notice how your brain behaves like a roommate who doesn't pay rent?
Once you get to the point where the first sentence ends, come over to the top here. You're going to find splits, right? It's going to split it, right? Into two. That shows that's where the first sentence ends, so that the sentence will show on the screen line by line. Now we can take this out, okay, and allow this to be. Bring it down. Just like that. You split, you delete what is not in the line, and so on, right? That's how you do it. As you can see there, that is just how to manually add caption to your video in Canva. All right, let me show you the second method, which you can use for long form videos. What you need to do here is to first export the video, because Canva doesn't generate captions for audios, all right? So what you need to do is to make sure that you export your video first. So we're going to do that right now. You come over to where it says share, then you click on that. Then scroll down to where you see download and click on that. So you give it a little time to download your video, okay? Once your video download is completed, you want to come over to the menu here at the top left, right? You click on it, then you go to where it says create. So you click on create, that plus sign, just click on that, and it's going to take you here. You want to click on video, okay? The landscape is going to give you a different canvas for you to start creating. Actually, we are not going to create anything. What we just want to do is to generate captions for our videos. So what you need to do now is to head over to upload, and then you go to your downloads and get the video you just downloaded. All right. and then upload it to Canva. Now you see that the video is uploaded. Go to text, and then when you click on text, go to where it says captions, and then go down to where it says generate captions and click on that. Give it a few minutes to generate your caption for you. It's as simple as that. And you can do all this with the free version of Canva. Now, as you can see here, our caption is ready. It's showing there. Click on caption to see the text that are there. If there is anything you want to correct, right? In case it gets it wrong, but it's always 100% correct, okay? But you can go through it if there is anything you want to correct. So what we want to do is to change the color from white to black, all right? And then come over to size, increase that. Let me leave it at 47. I don't want it bold, I want it normal. Now let's remove the effect, which is the background. Go to effects here, and then come over to this side and click none. Cool, the job is done, right? Beautiful. Now click on share and then download your video. The job is done, people. This is how you can create monetizable videos using Canva. If you can create these videos and then post them consistently on your new channel, you're going to meet up your monetization in no time. That is it, Canva lovers. If you are looking for more tutorials on Canva video editing, check the playlist in the description. If you love this video, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more amazing Canva tutorial videos. See you in the next one.